Police point to illegal drugs as a big reason why crimes like robberies and burglaries keep on happening. And the opioid epidemic here in Ohio has been unprecedented.
And now one of the weapons that police use to fight the war on drugs could be taken away. News 5's Tracy Carlos in the newsroom with a story you will only see on 5.
Danita and Rob, the countdown is on for Washington lawmakers to act and act fast. Tonight, law enforcement officers are concerned. The clock is ticking toward what could be a deadly deadline. Next month, if Washington lawmakers don't act, the emergency legislation making illicit fentanyl-like substances illegal will expire.
It's very concerning.
U.S. Attorney Justin Herdman, so concerned he convened a roundtable made up of experts on Wednesday who deal with the opioid epidemic daily. Law enforcement, treatment, and community outreach experts.
3 weeks from now, we would essentially lose overnight our legal authority to investigate and prosecute anybody who's selling the illegal fentanyl analogs that have killed so many of our friends and neighbors.
Fentanyl analogs are drugs like carfentanil, which is so potent it's to blame for thousands of overdose deaths right here in Ohio.
We wouldn't be able to stop it coming in. And believe me, the people who make it know that.
Many in this room fear history will repeat itself if legislation is allowed to expire.
I can't even imagine what it would be like. I mean, I can't think of any reason for them not to carry on the scheduling. I mean, it would be insanity not to.
Nearly 2 years ago, because of the unprecedented opioid epidemic and unprecedented overdoses, the DEA used its authority to make all non-scheduled fentanyl-like substances illegal under the Controlled Substance Act.
They said, look, I'm not going to try to schedule these drugs one at a time because it's an inefficient way to try to do things. So what instead happened was, in 2018, they said, if this drug looks like fentanyl, but it has something kind of glued onto it, the molecule that makes it a little bit different, it's still illegal.
Right now, Ohio Senator Rob Portman is sponsoring a bill to make legislation permanent.
We just got to keep our eye on the ball.
He called into the roundtable and told the group he spoke about the bill on the Senate floor Tuesday. Now he's hoping to get it passed before time runs out. Washington lawmakers have until February 6th to act. In the newsroom, Tracy Carlos, News 5.